In this video, we are going to fix an error code 2017-11 cumulative update for Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the SFC scan as well as the DISM scan in your command prompt. So by that, you need to navigate here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, please wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from here, you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy the commands that I have provided at the YouTube description. These are two commands. You need to copy this one by one. So please proceed to SFC scan now. Paste it here and then click on the enter key in your keyboard, and after that proceed to the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Once you are done with these two commands, you need to close the window and then restart your computer and try to run the Windows update and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is you need to uninstall the VPN. So if you have a third-party software, which is a VPN running in your Windows, try to uninstall that one. Okay, how you can uninstall that? Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Please type for upwiz.cpl and then click on the OK button so that you would be navigated to the Programs and Features window. Okay, so from here, find your VPN program. Try to uninstall that. Make a right click and click on uninstall. Once done, close the window and then restart your computer and try to run the Windows update and check if it's working. Okay? However, if the error still persists, then we need to navigate to the third and last solution, and that is you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run again. This time, you need to type for regedit, click on the OK button, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please navigate to HK local machine, double tap to expand the list, and then you need to find for the software. Double tap and under the software, please type find for the Microsoft. Okay, sorry. Just have to navigate to the software. I accidentally pressed the system. My bad. So this time select for the Microsoft. After that, you need to double tap here and locate for Windows NT. So scroll down and find for it. So once you have find the Windows NT, double tapped and there you can see the current version, double tapped, and under the current version, you need to find here for the profile list. So double tapped here at the profile list, and here you need to find for the profile that no longer exists in your PC. Okay? Again, find the profile that is no longer exist, but make sure that you don't delete the admin one. Make a right click and click on delete. Okay, once you have deleted the profiles, you need to close this window. Don't worry because I'll be including this path at the YouTube description so that you can simply copy and paste it here at the address bar. So minimize the file folders being opened. Might as well this registry editor and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.